Hey guys, welcome to Code Wrestling, and in this video we will let you know about the free website where you can learn programming. So Chris Pine has said, programming is not about what you know, it's about what you can figure out. Programming is a fun. Programming will open many doors that allow new developers to take advantage and implement new projects. If you are a beginner and just want to learn more about programming, you can watch this video till end and you will get to know about some of the websites which will provide you free programming knowledge. So let's directly go to the website. The first website in my list is HackerRank. HackerRank is one of the best websites on the internet because it offers a wide variety of resources for beginner developer. It has some quick crash courses including 30-day challenges to gain more experience in programming languages. It will offer you a lot of programming language for coding to learn more and invest their time. HackerRank is probably the best website for you to get hired by a company. The majority of coding interviews are conducted successfully on this website. HackerRank is a place for both developer and companies. While programmers are trying to improve their coding skill to the next level and increase their proficiency by attempting the challenges available on this website, the company will also provide recruiting the best candidate that can solve their interview question. So if you are a beginner in programming, you can start with HackerRank first. The second website in my list is FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp is a non-profit organization with some of the most useful content and beneficial resources for programmers and developers. Provides you an enormous quality post, guides and material for beginners to practice and master their coding skills. If I will list some of the fabulous content published on the internet, would include interactive learning web platform for practicing web development using programming language such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript. There are lots of assignment and practice questions that you can work on. They will also provide you a platform where you can work alone or in pairs to achieve the desired result for programming. Some of the free verified certifications on their website include responsive web designing system, algorithm and data structure for JavaScript, front-end libraries, data visualization and data science, data analysis with Python, information security, APIs and microservices. They will also deal with machine learning with Python, and there are lots of things available on their website. You can go and check out FreeCodeCamp if you are a beginner in programming. The third website which you can check for free programming to learn is Codecademy. Codecademy is a brilliant place for beginner developers and programming learner to invest their time and effort to enhance their coding skill. Codecademy offers you free interactive session online in 12 different programming languages, which includes Python, Java, Go, JavaScript, Ruby, SQL, C++, C#, Swift and SAS. This website also provides you some markup languages like HTML and CSS. Codecademy is one of the best platforms to learn to code with a set of tasks that you have to complete to progress onto the next stage. This level system of coding and the continuous progression system of programming will help the user to develop, to create a further engagement and learn more. You can pick the programming language of your choice and work on it until you can produce the most effective result. You can learn through code snippet and execute this code block on your own. It offers high interactivity to every enthusiast for exploration and practice purposes. You will achieve instant feedback that will help you to correct yourself and learn more accurately. So Codecademy is one of the best websites which you can go and check out. The fourth website in my list is Geeks for Geeks. Geek for Geeks is one of my favorite platforms to learn content on learning more about numerous programming language and other coding related topics. It contains a well written, well thought and well explained computer science and programming articles, quizzes and so much more to enable the user to gain further experience and enhance their coding skill. The best part of Geek for Geeks is that you can find useful content on the specific topic and concept that you are looking for, and they usually never disappoint you. If you search for a particular programming topic, there is a high chance that you will receive updated high quality posts with the coding example. The Geeks for Geeks codes obtained are available in lots of languages which include C, C++, Java, Python. You can also refer to this website for learning a more intuitive understanding of competitive programming and participate in various events. It also covers the basic required for beginner level developer programmer. So if you want to learn more about programming, you can check Geeks for Geeks also. This is also one of the best platforms where you can learn programming. The fifth website in my list is CodeMentor. Dev Projects is a free community where people can learn programming by working on curated projects projects. Each project is specifically designed by senior developer and mentor to bridge the learning gap between theory and real world code. User can discuss project details with peers and mentors and share their code to receive the feedback. If you are looking for more specific project related to Python, you can check out the link which is given in the description. You can build a variety of wide array quality Python project which has lots of application in real world. Developers can make the best use of this project for practicing purpose, developing their programming skill, and ultimately add their projects to their portfolio or resume. I would highly recommend checking out the following website as it provides you with the opportunity to build Python project, and the best part is if you are stuck on a particular issue, you will receive help from the available mentor who will guide you to fix your problem and achieve the best possible result. So if you are new to programming, you can check out CodeMentor. This will help you to provide projects for your resume and portfolio. The sixth website which you can check for programming is Hackerearth. This website is similar to HackerRank. Hackerearth also provides a platform for both developers and companies. While programmers can choose to practice, learn and develop a variety of projects while taking part in challenges and competition, the company usually utilize this website for technical skill assessment and remote video interviewing. There is a bunch of interview questions and other ways to level up your coding skills with the help of practicing quizzes and hackathon that you can practice and win exciting prizes. You can test out your overall coding skill and improve your programming by going to a next level. If you are interested, you can even get hired by some of the recruiting company by practicing questions on Hackerearth. The seventh website to choose programming as a beginner in my list is W3 Schools. This is one of the oldest website. W3 Schools is a training website for learning web technologies online. Content includes tutorial and reference related to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSON, PHP, Python and lots more. W3 School offers some of the best resource for developer to learn content for free. It is a documentation style approach for providing information along with useful interactive code blocks which you can click the try it yourself button and explore the option. W3 School offers some of the best programming tutorial online as well. A great example for conducting experimentation with code blocks. It also provides you with some of the best reference exercise and courses the developer and other user to participate, involve and utilize for improving their productivity. Eighth platform which you can check out to become a good in programming is Medium. The other website which I discussed in this video are helpful in improving your programming and coding skill with actual practice questions. While that might be suitable for some most scenario, you also need to look into the option that provide you with guidance, advanced tutorial and other helpful tools. Medium publication like Towards Data Science and Better Programming are some of the best platform for user to learn more about programming and also receive assistance on other practice related to coding. So you can check out these two publications in Medium which will offer you a enhanced knowledge in programming. The ninth website which you can check for coding as a beginner is YouTube. All the websites which I have mentioned earlier will provide you mostly with the theoretical knowledge, but it is always a good idea to explore your thoughts and learn more through visuals and images, especially in the form of videos. YouTube is one such platform that is a home to tons of free programming and coding content that will allow you viewers to learn more coding along with the runtime in the video. My personal recommendation to some of the best YouTube video to learn, program and improve your coding skill, which will include Zendesk and CoreScaffer for learning programming with specific advanced programming tutorials. There are tons of amazing YouTube channel for learning programming content, and we will discuss this topic in next video where we will list out some of the best YouTube channel to learn programming. The 10th platform where you can learn more about coding and programming is GitHub and Stackoverflow. If you are a programmer or you want to learn a programming, GitHub is one of the best website for any type of coding related project. It provides you with multiple options. If you want to share your code or use other code after forking them, this is perhaps the choice of the website you should look forward to. It is undoubtedly one of the best options that every developer and programmer must consider. It is easy to get stuck while programming a specific code block. In coding, errors are bound to occur, and when you are unable to fix them by yourself, it is often a good idea to approach expert and other programming mentors. One of such website that provides you with opportunity to get solution to your queries, doubt and question is the Stack Overflow community. Both GitHub and Stack Overflow are are amazing websites that will allow you to engage in conversation with other experts in the field of programming and receive the appropriate solution to your doubts and queries. Community in this platform are extremely helpful, and they will often engage in providing answer as long as you show your effort in framing the question from your perspective. So in this video we have discussed about 10 platforms where you can learn coding. You can trust this platform because these are trusted by millions of developers. I have mentioned the link of all the website in the description. You can go and check out. If you have any query related to any platform or coding related issue, you can reach us at coderustling@gmail.com, or you can comment below in the video in comment section. If you will get time, we will definitely look into the error and solve your query. Thanks for watching the video.